In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email or export reports and dashboards in Hubspot. First, open your browser and head to Hubspot. If you're not already signed in, log in with your work account so you can access your reporting tools. You'll want to make sure your user has permission to view and share reports. If you can see the reporting area but options are grayed out, check with your admin about permissions before moving on. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click Reporting. This brings you to the hub where your reports and dashboards live. From here, select Reports to see the list of individual reports you can share. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the exact report you want to send. It helps to open the report briefly to confirm filters, date ranges, and visualizations are correct. What you send is exactly what your recipients will see. Back on the Reports list, locate your chosen report and click Actions. This opens the menu of things you can do with that report. Choose Share Via to bring up the sharing options. Then select Email. Email is perfect for getting insights to stakeholders who don't log into HubSpot regularly. Click Next to move into the email setup. Here, update the details so your message is clear and useful. Add recipients. Use group or team addresses when possible to keep distribution current. Craft a subject line that states what's inside, like the name of the report and the time frame. In the message body, add a concise note about why the data matters or what changed since the last send. If you see options for including a file attachment or a link preview, pick the format your audience prefers. Also check any settings for filters, date ranges, or report refresh timing so your numbers are up to date. If scheduling is available in your account, this is typically where you choose a cadence, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Otherwise, you'll be sending a one-off email. When everything looks right, click Send Now. Give it a moment and you should see a confirmation that the email was sent. It's a good practice to include yourself as a recipient the first time so you can verify formatting, links, and attachments. If someone doesn't receive the email, ask them to check spam filters and safe lists and confirm their address is spelled correctly. For large visuals, consider simplifying the report or using a link to ensure reliable delivery. That's it, your HubSpot report is on its way. The same Share Via menu is also where you'll typically find export options, so once you're comfortable here, you can quickly deliver insights in whatever format your team needs.